Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro Apple Watch cases. This is for the Apple Watch Series 4, 5, 6, and the SE. We're going to get into the iPads in another video. We have three 40mm and three 44mm. Each retail for about less than $25. I'll leave a link in the description for Amazon. You can check that for the updated prices. So as you can see, we have three colors: dark green, Venus, and violet. So this is the 40mm, and pretty simple packaging. I really like it actually. Very small, minimalistic, very simple and clean. Alright, so like I said, this is the dark green version. Support card. All of these are going to have that, so I'm not going to explain it in the rest. Alright, so here it is. It looks really nice. Obviously it has that little carbon fiber look. It's a typical SupCase signature, and I love the accent to it. But yeah, this one's like a military green. I really like it. It looks very very military style. As you can see, you have like a brushed metal here. The UB Pro. This looks really nice actually. And yeah, I can tell we'll have a lot more grip because this little pattern here actually on the Exo series has the best grip for like iPhones and stuff. So they sell Apple, Google, and Samsung products. If you want to check them out, go ahead and do that in the description. But anyways, that is the dark green version. Now we're going to get into the Venus version. This is the 40mm again, rose gold kind of. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is basically like a rose gold. It's really nice. Once again, there's the signature. Lots of grip right there. You have a little texturized button right there on the right side for the power. SupCase branding. And you also have UB Pro. I'm not biased here, but like I really like SupCase's cases and everything like that. It's just best protection on the market. This is hopefully another 40mm. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 40mm. Alright, so let's check this one out. This is the violet one. They have about 11 colors available, and I have 3 right now. So carbon fiber look, texturized button, really nice. You have corner protection here, nice sports band, the SupCase branding, and UB Pro. Looks really nice. Dark green for 44, the violet, and the Venus. Let's go and open the Venus first actually. So this is once again like a rose gold type, but the 44mm. So if you got a bigger watch, then as you can see, this is the difference. Huge screen. If you have one of those, this will help so much because you have like tons of protection, as you can see on the screen. It has it raised by a lot. Don't know if you could tell, but yeah, nice protection here. You have same thing, carbon fiber look, little texturized button there. You have access to the scroll wheel, carbon fiber on this side, nice grip. You have this little UB Pro as well as SupCase. Into the violet, this is the purple one in a 44mm. Very nice. Same thing. Really, really nice. And then the dark green, which I like a lot. I think they also have like a metallic red, which I personally would get, but other than that, I would choose probably green. The midnight green iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max, then this will definitely match with your phone. Really nice carbon fiber look. It's different from the other ones. It's like actual green. I wonder how it would look with black, but I really like it. Other than that, really nice rugged look to it. Just beautiful overall. You have SupCase, UB Pro, the band. I will get into the iPad cases in another video, so stay tuned for that. Once again, these are less than 25 bucks, so you can check out the link in the description. But as you can see, these are really nice cases overall. You can tell the difference right here between each case. These are the smaller 40 millimeters and these are the 44 millimeters. Once again, these are compatible with the Apple Watch Series 4, 5, 6, and the SE, which I will probably be getting the SE or the 6 in a future video. I'll probably unbox it. Who knows? But I'm definitely going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 in about a few weeks for sure, once it comes out. So if you want to see that unboxing, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.